Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, grade 3 students. Hope you are doing well. Today is 23rd April and today is Friday and here is a test for you. The test is about concrete, proper and abstract noun. And in class you have done a lot of practice in finding out the nouns and all the parts of the speech. So here I have written some nouns. The first one is fun. Yes, read with me. Here are Metal and Fawaz and they will read with me. The number one is fun. Number two is pond. Number three, number four, punishment. Number five, secret. Number seven, number six, conversation. Number seven, music. Number eight, building. Number nine, kindness. Yes, and number 10, cupboard. And here are three columns. The first column is concrete noun. The second one is proper noun. And the third one is abstract noun. So first of all you find any type of the nouns. Okay, this is not compulsory that the column is the concrete noun and you have to find the concrete noun first. This is your choice. You can find out any type of the nouns with them. And how can you find? You can find with the pencil, like you can make a tick on one type of the nouns and you can make a cross on the second type of the nouns and you can even circle on the third type of the nouns. So here are Mital and Fawaz. So are you ready to do this test?
Yes.
Okay, can you do, Fawaz? Can you do? You are not saying yes. Can you do? Yes?
Yes,
Okay, it's not difficult, okay? So, Mital, come. Mital, what will you find the first?
abstract.
You want to find the abstract noun first. Okay. So, how can you find? What will you do on the abstract nouns? Okay, so make a tick on the abstract noun. Yes. Fun is?
Abstract noun.
Yes, you also tell me, Fawaz. Fun is?
Abstract noun.
Because we can't see the fun, but only we can feel. Okay. Second, yes, find out the second abstract noun. Go on the second word, then third word. Check on the second word. Pond. Is pond abstract noun?
No.
Come to the third one. Brer rabbit. Is this abstract noun?
No.
Come to the fourth one. What is it?
Punishment.
So, is this an abstract noun?
No.
Punishment is not an abstract noun.
Yes.
Abstract noun, yes. Yes, come to the next one. Secret. Yes. Come to the next one. Farmer Wheatstone is not a.
Abstract noun.
Come to the next one. Yes, music. What is it?
Music.
And this is an abstract noun. Come to the next one. Hurry up, hurry up. Kindness. So how many abstract noun in this? 1, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write abstract noun here, okay, with the black marker. So sit down. Well done, Mital. So come to your seat now. Fawaz, come here. And Fawaz, what will you find? Tell me. Concrete or proper what?
Concrete noun.
Okay, so how will you find the concrete noun?
Mama, I circle.
You will circle them. Okay, so do. Good. Pond is a concrete noun. What? Brer rabbit is, you can see brer rabbit, but you have to find the proper noun also. Mital, what is brer rabbit? B is capital, R is capital. This is a, yes, this is a proper noun. So leave it. Go to the next one. Yes, in next line. Yes, hurry up. You are taking much time. Which one is the next concrete noun? Can you tell me, Mital?
It's building.
Yeah, building is concrete noun. And now come to the next word.
Cupboard.
Cupboard is. Now write this all in the column of concrete. Perfect, Fawaz. You have written the 3 concrete nouns. Come to your seat now. And students, now tell me how many, what are the proper nouns that are left?
Bear rabbit.
Yes.
Farmer Winston.
Only Brer Rabbit and Farmer Winston. Okay, take this black marker, Mital, and write Brer Rabbit and Farmer Winston. The two are left. The 2 are left, and these are the proper nouns. Only 2 are left that we didn't mark, like take and circle. We didn't do the circle or take on the Brer Rabbit and the Farmer Winston. Brer Rabbit, B and R are capital, and Farmer Winston, F and W A are capital. Farmer Winston. Yes, W is capital. Very good. Mital and Fawaz, you have done this test on the board, and the rest of the students have to do this test in their neat notebooks. And this is for the preparation of exams.